Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to restore any files that you have deleted and have gone into your recycle bin. As you can see, my recycle bin is on my desktop, but if you are missing the recycle bin on your desktop, don't worry because we can fix that. All you need to do is right click and go down to personalize. You now need to go to the left hand side and click on themes. And we now need to go to the right hand side and click on desktop icon settings. And you will now have a window that looks like this. And you need to make sure you have the recycle bin ticked. As you can see, mine is ticked at the moment, and that is why it is showing on my desktop. Once you have done this, you now need to click on apply and then OK. And we can now close down the settings. We can now double click on our recycle bin, and you will have a list of files in there. And these are all the files that you have deleted, and they have gone straight to your recycle bin. To restore these files, all you need to do is simply right click on the file you would like to restore, and then click on restore. And as you can see on my desktop now, it has actually restored that image. And I can do this also for this text document. I can right click and go restore, and it's now on my desktop. And I can also do it for this folder. Just remember, when you do restore a file, it will go back to its original location. And it really is that easy. Whenever you delete a file, it goes in your recycle bin. And you can simply restore any files that are in your recycle bin. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.